Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to book an appointment for SSN. Right, so ladies and gentlemen, the first thing you need to do is start online. So you need to visit the official SSA website to begin your SSN application. You need to just check if you can complete it fully online or if there is an in-office visit required for your specific situation. So the next thing you need to do now is schedule your appointment. So if in-person visit is needed, then you can see that they are available from Monday to Friday, 8 till 7, your local time. And then online, there will be a self-scheduling system that you can use, or you can call the 1-800-772-1213. You can also see that you need to prepare some documents, so gather your original or certified copies of your passport, visa, your I-94 and work authorization documents like your I-20 or your DS 2019. This would be for students. At your appointment, use the mobile check-in express by scanning the QR code at the office entrance for fast service. And then an SSA employee will verify your documents and process your application. Your social security card will then be mailed to you, which would be mailed to your registered address within about 14 business days from the day of your appointment. Here's an essential document checklist. So make sure that you have a valid passport with a photo identification, current immigration visa or status document, the Form I-94 arrival departure record, and work authorization. This could be the I-20, DS 219, or employment authorization. I hope this was helpful.